Well. If it isn't the consequences of my extremely poor decision-making in life. Yep. Welcome back, everyone, to the Art of Volvo's at the Shitbox Garage. So, about a month ago, my angle gear let loose on me while getting on an on-ramp on a highway. And that doesn't really come as much of a surprise, in all honesty. This was something that I was worried about when I took it to the track, and honestly, this could be an exacerbated issue from the track. These angle gears are known for sharing their collars. As of right now, she's in here, and I have 1 day left of my vacation left, the winter, and I'm gonna try and replace the angle gear on here. In theory, this is a 1 day job. In reality, this is an old Volvo. And from what I've seen, angle gear replacements never go as planned, as collars get stuck in the transmission side. So I'm not really looking forward to that. I did bought some tools to helpfully make this go a lot smoother. But that's not the only thing on the docket. She actually needs some other stuff done to it. Let's take a look. So what do we got here? We got a slew of parts here. The angle gear is not the only thing I'm gonna be replacing. One, I'm going with a Gen 3 Halidex unit for the rear def. Supposedly, what this will do is create a more instantaneous activation of the rear wheels and gives it more of a 60-40 differential split feel. And with that, I will also be doing the fluids in the Halidex as well. You know, maintenance, since might as well. If I'm already back there, I might as well do it. And these strut bar bushings that are actually shot on mine, these need to be done. I didn't do it before the track day. I was going to, and I got too lazy. What do we got in this one? It's the entire collar service kit. Comes with seals, bolts, got all of this FCP Euro. Really the only company to have it in stock, and even then it took them quite a while to get these to me. Look at that, nice new collar. Also, on the docket, a new vibrant muffler for the rear section of the exhaust that I built a couple of years ago. The VT muffler with the flap in there is now just broken and flapping around, so I've decided to just use a vibrant muffler to replace it and deal with a little bit of extra noise, I guess. It's pretty much useless, and it just rattles and it sounds like a broken ass car. And what do we have here? We have my replacement angle gear. It's in fairly good condition. It doesn't look like it had any leaks or anything of the sort. I mean, if I was smart, I would do the maintenance to reseal it, but this one doesn't look to have leaked, so I'm gonna be dumb about this. I don't really have the time to crack this thing open and do the weird service. You have to grind away the edge on the inside and reseal it and all this other junk. It's only got like 80,000 miles on it, I was told, and it looks pretty good. Supposedly these XC80 ones are supposed to be a little stronger, but I've also heard that that's complete and utter bullshit. So I can only hope. Got some royal purple gear oil for this thing. Royal purple. And oil that I need to change. So, time for a new vibrant. Ooh. Shiny. Let's see how this fits. Okay. And just like that, we have mucked up the new muffler. Now I can start taking it apart. Luckily it's all V-bands and pretty easy. These driveshaft bolts, extremely rusty. I've already broken one nut today, not a lot of fun. And the driveshaft bolts on the side, pretty awful too. Enough lube, it'll break free. And so the Midwest Volvo bullshit problems begin. It's gonna be a lot of fun for me. All these Allen bolts, rusty as fuck. Barely any clearance between the drive shaft and this yoke. That doesn't even want to go in there. So it's the same story over here. Maybe it won't be a total pain. I doubt it, but I can hope. Great progress. I don't know what I was thinking. Get this. Safety goggles. Safety goggles. I don't know why I took them off. All right, let's see how this pans out. Not well at all. It's already starting to, fuck. I can get that to hold a drive shaft while I attempt to break loose a few Allen nuts back. Yeah, no, I didn't think. Fuck. All right, off to Harbor Freight for a tool. Just got back from Harbor Freight. Got a few tools. Could help me out here. Oh God, don't strip. Oh, one out. Oh, that's a relief. Let's see if we can repeat that with some success here. Boop, 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 boop. Launch this bad boy in here. Oh, okay. Awesome. So awesome. One more. Okay. This one I feel like should at least be a tad bit easier. Goodie. That's one. Good. Doing much better now. Not to be trifled with. No, I take that back. Don't trifle with me, Volvo. I know you could. I know you could trifle with me very easily. You're Euro. Lux trash. You have all sorts of shitty tricks up your sleeve, I'm sure. Yeah, my slightly oversized tires does a little bit of digging in the chassis here. But I guess, can't really rust if it just keeps wiping in the rust and polishing it right off. So I'm not really too concerned about that. Time to get the axle out of here. Yeah. Got that simple. Okay. It's gonna unbolt the strut here, pull it back. 2 bolts over there, pop right off. So that's 21. Okay, so an 18, odd sizing, and a 21. And safety goggles, kids. I don't know why I keep thinking that I'm not gonna get fucking rust in my eye, but here I am getting all the rust in my eye. Come back. Don't know. Need you for later. What? Axle pops right out. Cool. Like a little hammer schlagen. Get the rest out. Hey! Axle cap off. What? What? It just slid out? It's unheard of. Oh my God. Are you serious? Oh, what? Just came out? Just like no issues. Holy crap. Well, at least the angle gear had oil, now that I can see that. It's not even that dirty looking. It looks like whoever replaced it did it recently. Shame. It's just, yeah, it feels like the gear itself is totally fucking fucked. I think I got 5 bolts here. 13. What a very odd sizing. Get in it. I feel like because I'm fucking Art of Volvo, I should have only Swedish music playing when I create this YouTube video. Oots. I know it sounds more German, but it sounds about the same. They speak English, but maybe I will work on my accent. Alright, bolt number 3. Sweden couldn't be bothered, takes the time to design a real all-wheel drive transmission, so they just made a front-wheel drive one that does all-wheel drivey things. What do I got over here? Alright. 1 bolt, and then this little shit here, and then somewhere, oh my God, right under the turbo somewhere is my, oh. Coming loose, I think. Ta-da! Kinda. It's off. Now I gotta get it out of there, and that'll be a little bit of a fun thing to do. So oddly enough, from what I can tell, my angle gear teeth look okay. Hopefully getting that collar out won't be a huge problem. I bought a tool just in case it is a pain in the ass because these tend to get stuck in the transmission side, so we're about to see. I'll be honest, I did not expect that to just slide out. I'm gonna save this one because it doesn't look awful, and just in case I need one, I'll have one. I know it looks like it's fine. Well. All right, old angle gear. Oh, you can hear that. Just grinding away. New one, nice and smooth. No noises. Hope it stays that way. Really do. These are about as glassy as they say they are. I'm hoping this one, this new one, I'm hoping is a bit stronger. But again, no more track days for this. Just highway cruising and enjoying it on the street. No more beating the living piss out of this thing. I was personally very curious to see what it looked like, and you can clearly see that is shot. Also, this oil is tar black and smells burnt, like just awful when I crack this open. The trans, new fluid. I think no one bothered to ever change the fluid in this angle gear though. It is roast. Oh, there you go. That gear set is completely fucked. I'm going to, unfortunately, have to clean up a mess right now. I made a very poor decision of cracking this open just in the middle of my shop on concrete. Oh, this yeah, it wants to too. This is not well set in there. Oh, no, bad, oh, god damn it. Bad me. Ooh, yeah, that is roast.